Any idea if Bala is joined?
So we'll check and let you know, sir. Just a minute.
Yes.
Have joined?
Yeah, he joined and we made him the
Yes, sir.
presenter.
Yes, sir. Sir have joined.
So,
Good afternoon, good morning, Bala here. Sorry, I joined.
Very good morning, Bala. Thank you very much for joining the session. Thanks.
Sure.
So we'll just wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll begin with the session.
Sure.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome. Thank you. I'll go on mute.
Ashita, just check whether director sir and our dean ma'am, ma'am have joined or not yet. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So, Monica, I have a small request to you.
Yes.
Um,
Yes, sir.
as I understand you are recording the session, but please do not record
Yes.
the PPT of TCS. You know, that's a proprietary PPT. So do not record the PPT of TCS. You can record anything else, but do not record the PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, fine. Let us check with Abhijit. Is it possible for us to do this thing?
No, you don't have to record. Abhijit has done that before also. He's done so many of
Yeah.
sessions for TCS. So don't record the PowerPoint. That's the proprietary this thing. You can your
Okay.
other presentations you can record, but not the presentation of TCS. I hope that is okay with you, sir.
Yeah, actually, we have to submit AICT that
No
do our
problem, no problem.
synchronization.
So
In that
you
case,
can submit to AICT, sir. But Bala, you would like to comment on that? Anything proprietary in that?
Yeah, I was thinking it's better not to record some of the videos and all I was planning to show.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be good. Like they can see it, meaning we don't want to capture it as a
Sir,
initial
please do
talk
not
and
record the presentation. You can record the talk, but you cannot record the PPT, sir. That's proprietary and conflicting the rights of TCS. So we can avoid that, sir.
okay.
So Abhijit, can you check please?
Yeah, I can click on stop recording.
No, stop recording.
But
Abhijit,
session we would need to
the
record.
session needs to be sent to AICT.
AICT, yeah.
So what?
But PPTs, is it possible for us to stop?
Just PPT. Just you can you record the voice because that is required because we have to send it to AICT.
Sir, we can do one thing. We will not share the recording to the participants. Only we may share to the AICT.
That can be done, sir.
Dr. Bala, will it be okay?
Should be okay, I guess, because we are not showing any customer data as such here.
Yeah.
It's like the TCS assets and other things. So
Actually, AICT wants to keep a database. That is the only problem.
okay, can you record audio alone? Is that like team supports that? Well, then that is also maybe initially you record the video also. After that, like while we, I know we are in the last minute, so I'll let you guys decide. Yeah.
So what I suggest is even if we if TCS confirms that that we have taken a session or 2 or 3 sessions for you on so and so topic, I think AICT would accept that because we are giving our sessions, our time, and so on and so forth. And we can say that maybe that since the data is confidential to TCS and we would not like to share that. However, we are presenting it to the faculties and students. That's okay with us.
But I think so. Recording we need to give on Atal site too. Atal site पे जो होती है वो जाती है उसमें.
No, Atal ka site pe, then it is accessible to everybody. No, we don't want it to go to everybody. We want it to go to only to the like you want only to go to AICT, not to the students, not to the public at large. You can discuss.
Can you come in?
I think you can discuss it offline, Dr. Monica. You can discuss offline with AICT.
Okay, fine.
And it's 12. In case we can start the session, if that is okay with you.
Yes. Sir, you start. Let us discuss with AICT. Right.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can start the session.
I think that will be fine.
Yeah, that's
so with
fine,
your
sir.
permission, Director sir, shall I start, sir?
Yes. You start.
Okay.
Madam,
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Very good afternoon and welcome to this online forum of AICT sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program on Design Thinking, a patient-centric approach in healthcare industry, being organized by Pharmacy Institute, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. I'm Dr. Shweta Bavari, Assistant Professor, Pharmacy Institute, NIT. Me and my co-hosts, Dr. Salauddin, Mr. Abhijit, and Ms. Anjali, on behalf of the entire NIT fraternity, welcome you all on the third day of this virtual FDP. Here are the briefings of today's lecture sessions. First lecture session will commence within few minutes with our first guest speaker, respected Mr. Balakumar Kangasabapati. Second lecture session will commence at 2:30 p.m. with our next guest speaker, respected Mr. Ganesh Gaikwad. Before we begin, I would like to notify that today we have with us respected Mr. Rajit Sikka. Mr. Rajit Sikka is a senior consultant at Tata Consultancy Services and possesses more than 25 years of experience in the information technology industry, along with its cross-functional dynamics in the education industry, spanning major functions in sales, operations, and channel development of the organizations. Mr. Sikka is a postgraduate in business management and has worked with companies like HCL, HP Limited, Aptech Limited and TCS. He is endowed with the responsibility of managing academic collaborations for TCS in North India. Thank you for joining us, sir. We welcome you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Shweta. Thank you very much. So before you introduce my colleague, Dr. Bala, thank you very much to TCS and to both of us. And we are quite humbled to be a part of this session of NIT. TCS has been having a relationship with academia since the past 53, 54 years. And over the past couple of decades, we've way back in year 1999, which is about 22, 23 years back, TCS formulated academic interface program group to have a more robust relationship with academia. What we do as a part of academic interface program is we do a lot of student connect programs. We do a lot of faculty connect programs. We do a lot of internships. We do a lot of gaming contests. We at TCS like to be our part of board of studies or academic bodies of campuses so that we could give them the throughput of what is happening in the industry and how could they, uh, play around with their curriculum in whatever way, whether it is an autonomous institute, an affiliated institute, or a deemed university, so that they could give more value to the student in adding some part of in their curriculum. We have a wonderful relationship with NIT since the past more than a decade, doing so many connect programs, workshops, FDPs. Also, we have some specialized about 53, 54 colleges all across India where we run a specific program on CSBS, Computer Science and Business Studies. NIT is a chosen few of those few colleges we have where we run this course. Today's session, my colleague Dr. Bala would take it forward on design thinking. My request to all participants here would be, I can see about